Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about regression technique in supervised learning. We will start with what is regression. Regression analysis is a statistical method that helps us to analyze and understand the relationship between two or more variables of interest. The process that is adapted to perform regression analysis helps us to understand which factors are important, which factors can be ignored, and how they are influencing each other. Important terms in regression analysis. Dependent variable. This is the variable that we are trying to understand or forecast. Independent variable. These are factors that influence the analysis or target variable and provide us with information regarding the relationship of variables with the target variable. In regression, we normally have one dependent variable and one or more independent variables. Here, we try to regress the value of dependent variable, say y, with the help of independent variables. In other words, we are trying to understand how does the value y changes with respect to changes in x. Application of regression analysis. Regression analysis is applied in financial industry to understand the trend in stock prices, forecast the prices, evaluate risks in insurance domain. Then marketing, understand the effectiveness of market campaigns, forecast pricing and sales of the product. Then in manufacturing, evaluate the relationship of variables that determine to define a better engine to provide better performance. Then in medicine, regression is used to forecast the different combination of medicines to prepare generic medicines for diseases. These are applications of regression analysis. Here is a small activity. There is a Python code which is given with error. Now you can figure out what is the error in this Python code. Right. So the first error is DEF, which was in capital letters. It has to be in small letters. Then second error, equal to should be double equal to. Then there is no bracket here after print. Then this star should come before the equal to. And here also there is no bracket after the print. So these are some of the error in this code. Okay, now we will see the terminologies used in regression analysis. Outliers. Suppose there is an observation in the data set that has a very high or very low value as compared to the other observations in the data, that is, it does not belong to the population. Such an observation is called an outlier. In simple words, it is an extreme value. An outlier is a problem because many times it hampers the results we get. Multicollinearity. When the independent variables are highly correlated to each other, then the variables are said to be multicollinear. Many types of regression techniques assume multicollinearity should not be present in the data set. It is because it causes problems in ranking variables based on its performance, or it makes the job very difficult in searching the most important independent variable. Heteroscedasticity. When the variation between the target variable and the independent variable is not constant, it is called as heteroscedasticity. Example, as one's income increases, the variability of food consumption will increase. This is not always true, because a person whose income is high also may have inexpensive food. So this type of relation is not always true. So there are three graphs mentioned here. Okay, this is underfitted, good fit or robust, or overfitted. So this is the expected value. The linear line curve is the expected value. Now we can see samples are very far away from this expected value, that is called as underfitted. Good fit or robust, all these values are lying on this curve, expected curve, and overfitted is all the values are on the expected curve. It is overfitted. Okay. So we will continue the regression in the next video. Thank you.